Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a good time. The agenda of this video is to discuss how a supplier can register themselves on SAP Ariba Commerce Cloud. Let's assume Jazz registered you as one of their supplier on their SAP Ariba solution. You will receive an email from Ariba administrator telling you about your login information. Just click on that email. Here you can see the name of the company, the Jazz Test. It's because it's a test account. You are saying test. Here you can see the supplier name. There are different information based on the email you received. You will just have to click here to register yourself on Ariba Commerce Cloud. Or alternatively, what you can do that you can copy this link and paste it in the URL box, and you can register yourself on SAP Ariba Commerce Cloud. This email is only valid for 2 days. In case you miss that 2-day time, kindly contact Ariba administrator from the of Jazz to share you an email once again. Okay, now we're gonna click here to register. After clicking the click here button, system will automatically direct you on this page. On this page, you can see two options. If you already have an account, you already are registered with any company, and you are already using SAP Ariba Commerce Cloud, you just have to log in, and the connection between you and the Jazz will build up. If you are not using SAP Ariba and this is the first time you are setting it up, no issue, just click on sign up. And it will automatically take you to the registration page. Here you need to fill a little details. So the name of your company, your name, you can use your email address, your username, or in this case I'm going to use test as gov.ariba at my username because it's a test account. Then you have to set your password. You have to make sure that the password contain alphanumeric characters. It also contains special characters, and you need to use both lower and uppercase. Here's the information what password must contain. You can read it from here as well. So I'm going to set a password right here. Then I'm going to repeat a password, and then you just have to agree on these two of these terms and conditions, right? So I'm just going to quickly fill up this form, and then I will be back. So I filled the details. If there are more requirements from the company, you will see it in this white area. You just have to fill all those requirements and then have to click on the submit button. So here I received an error that this email is already registered on SAP Ariba. So I'm just going to change the email address, change the username. So the email address is this, and I'm going to change the username. So I just added 1 and 2, and now I'm going to submit it. So if there are any error, the system will automatically populate me error. So if the system is saying that the domain does not match the company domain, I'm just gonna say, do you still want to use it? I said yes. Now I will just review the account. As the system indicated that there was a previous account associated with this email address, I will just click on the continue account creation, or I can check that this is the company and this is the result. So I'm just gonna continue on the account creation. And here I am registered with Jazz Test. So let's say that you are doing business with more than 5 companies. You can see different tabs here. There is only one tab for the Jazz. There can be different tab for the different companies. You just have to make sure that for the contracts and the proposal, you need to be on the SAP Ariba contract page. For that, you just have to click on this Ariba proposals and questionnaire, and here you can click on Ariba contract. This will take you to the page where you can review the SAP Ariba contracts, the contracts that you received from the Jazz. You just have to review those contracts and send it back to the POC. So here you can find there will be the task that will contain the contract. You just need to download that contract, review it, and then populate it back here. Now I can just come, once I'm done, I'm gonna log out from here, and that's it. That's how you can register yourself on SAP Ariba Commerce Cloud. Thank you for watching. Take care.